Toilet roll holders look always the same. Glossy, chromed, and still quite primitive. But what would it look like if it was much more minimalistic and simple? Even invisible? First of all, of course I designed a completely complex mechanism with gears and so on. Unfortunately, I threw the sketch away. This here was also a very difficult, let's say stupid idea. I had a clear plan how it should look like, and I took this as base to develop, after some trial and error, this final design. It consists out of two 3D printed parts. A bracket and a barrel. They are connected with a ball bearing I took out of one of these fidget spinners you certainly remember. For some extra grip, there are two slots for flat springs. We need to make it a little bit longer, so that it kind of bends out a little bit when it's in place. I've printed the two in just a few seconds. So now it's quite ready to go. In the end, of course, we need some tape. You can clearly see, or in this case not see, the difference.